Scooter of the week, yeah.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host, Greg, with AutoMobility Store. Today, I wanted to highlight a newer product from Pride Mobility. This is the Victory 10 four-wheel easy turn technology. Now, they seem to be putting this easy turn technology slowly putting it onto all their four-wheel scooters. You know, we have the Go-Go's with the easy turn, kind of making the zero turns a little obsolete. So these easy turns, they tend to be lighter. So let's get into it. So if you're familiar with the Victory 10, they've been around for a long time, but they have now introduced it with that easy turn technology. It gives you that three-wheel turning radius, but you still get the four-wheel stability of a four-wheel scooter. So, so really, as far as differences between the original Victory 10 and this new one with the easy turn technology, it really is just that turning capability, but it's a fantastic scooter. You still have a weight capacity of 400 pounds, top speed of 5.3 miles per hour, so it's still pretty quick, and a very high driving range of 15.5 miles per charge. Still allows you that, the feather touch disassembly. Even though this is a mid-size scooter, it's a little bigger, but you are able to take it apart, to put it into the back of your vehicle, stuff like that. Beautiful Delta tiller with the ergonomic wraparound handles, allows you to kind of operate the scooter with either your hands, or your thumb, whatever you're comfortable with, or left hand, or only right hand, whatever you need on that. So you still have your color options of that candy apple red and the Viper blue. Your solid tires, comes with the front basket, everything you need. So yeah, check out the Easy Turn Victory 10 by Pride Mobility. It's an amazing scooter, just like all the Pride scooters. So if you have any questions, give AutoMobility Store a call, 800-431-3183. Mention this video. We'll throw in a bunch of nice little free accessories. We like to hook you up. So again, my name is Greg. Thank you for watching.